Hello, everybody, and welcome to a short presentation of smartPM.solutions based on MS Power BI, a revolutionary new approach to planning. And most of you will now wondering if this is a mistake by us because Power BI is well known for their analyzing strengths and fancy dashboards, but not for planning. But no, it is indeed possible, and today we will see how. We will start now with the benefits of Power BI and our solution as a planning and analyzing reporting tool. First of all of your data is collected and integrated in one platform, and all of the controlling team is seeing and talking about the same numbers. So we accomplish with that the single point of truth. Secondly, the base technology is used in most companies, and therefore there's no need for additional trainings. And the IT department in your company is probably also very happy if you decide to work with a Microsoft product, as those software fulfill all necessary standards. Speaking of standards, it is very intuitive with the dashboards and with the widgets, with the difference that you can now also plan in those same widgets and diagrams. With this tool also comes the possibility to work from where you want and when you want, because we also integrated an app, and this is working for smartphones as well as for tablets. It is for sure a market-leading visualization and data analyzing tool. And it also fully integrates all kinds of collaboration tools, which makes the planning workflows much easier. So you can set automatic alerts, for example, for deadlines or for upcoming budgets that you have to submit. And you can also add some comments on a certain number or a certain data point very, very easily. And I think all of this makes the life of a controller much easier. It is highly versatile, it's highly flexible. Of course, it's very intuitive, and I don't think I need to explain this in more detail. But what I want to mention is that this tool is made to connect to all kinds of data sources. And this is also the reason why the implementation phase is much shorter than in an average implementation project of an CPM tool. Of course, we are using machine learning and AI cutting edge technology for all kinds of forecasts. And we will also see some examples of that in the demo. And last but not least, the licensing model of Power BI by smartPM is comparably economical. So this should give you now a taste of what is coming up. What you see now here is our landing page, and in the squares you see our solutions. And as you see, it is not just typical finance topics, but it is all kinds of solutions. This is because our clients have super diverse industry backgrounds. Like in the energy sector, we have also customers from the public services, real estate, and all kinds of manufacturing industries. And their needs are most of the time very individual. And over the time, they want to extend their planning tools and also add, for example, an SMOP tool, or they want maybe to analyze the market performance of some products, and so on and so on. And in another video, we will also explain what is hidden behind those headers. The right side now, we show you some of our solutions. For example, this is our top-down planning approach and our bottom-up planning example. This is one way to visualize these processes, but our consultants have round about 100 projects a year, so there is few requirements they have not seen before. This is now an example for procurement performance management. What you see right here is a spend analyzing dashboard. This is an example for predictive price forecasting. And this is our savings dashboard. We also conducted lots of project management implementation at our customers and collected therefore also a wide range of experience and best practice solutions in this regards. And last but not least, you want all of your data in one trustworthy integrated finance planning solution. So this is now an example for cost planning on the asset level. This is an example for a profit and loss statement with a delta variance. This is an example for a cash flow with a deviation in percent. And this is probably the most important dashboards of them all. And all of the controllers we met so far, this is the most important dashboard for them. So our consultants are controllers themselves, so they speak your language and understand all the struggles you have. This also reflected in our top ratings, like on the platform Raven, where we were rated with 4.8 stars of 5 customer satisfaction. Thank you for that. But don't take it from me. Let us take a look at some of the comments of our reference customers. The first quote is about the improvement in the planning process at Villeroy and Boch. They figured out that they save up to 60% in planning. And Valneva valued the reliable partnership with smartPM. And the Hamburg airport quantifies the software value with yearly savings of a higher single-digit million euro amount. But now let us jump directly into the system.